Welcome to Makeshift Shows with just Randy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you're returning, thanks for the support. And as always, if you want me to record or make a video of your system, let me know in the comments section. In tonight's video, I'll be demonstrating a system sent in by Dragon's Breath. He or she says that this system is high risk, but over time it works out. Dragon's Breath bounces back and forth between the dozens and the columns, playing two of the three. I always choose the two opposite of what just won. My up bets are 5, 15, 50, and 160. This system sounds interesting, and I'm ready to dive in. Let's demonstrate. Alright, so let's start out with 11 was the last one. So we're going to bet 5 units on the first and third column, leaving the 11 and the middle column open. All right, let's see what happens here. And we have a black 8, which is in the middle column. All right, so now we have to up bet to 15 units. Right, 15, 15, there we go. All right, so here we go. Let's see what happens. And it's a 25, which I believe is a winner, and it is. How about that? All right, fantastic. Okay, so since we won, now we have to clear our bets, and now we're going to bet. Now 25 is in the third dozen, so we're going to put 5 on the first dozen and 5 in the middle dozen. There we go. All right, so we're playing opposite. Interesting. All right, let's see what happens here. And what do we have? We have a red 32, which happened to fall in the third dozen. All right, so that means we have to up bet again. 15 and 15. Here we go. So we only bounce back and forth when we win. All right, here we go. Here we're rolling. And we have black 35, which is also in the third dozen. That's all right. So our next up bet is 50. Right? Yeah, 50 and 50. All right, that's $100. Woo-hoo. All right, here we go. We're rolling. Rolling down the river. And it's a 20. Yes. All right, so we won. All right, so we drop back to 5 and 5, and we play the first and third column, 5 units each. Yeah, all right, so far so good. Okay. All right, here we go. We're rolling, and we're rolling. And we have a black 29. Was that a winner? I think it is not. Okay, so we got to up bet again. Man, we haven't won on the first roll of each sequence yet. Kind of scares me. All right, what do we have here? And we have a red 7, which I believe is a winner, right? Yes, it is. Okay. All right, so we're going to clear that out. And 7's in the first 12, so we're going to put 5 in the middle, second 12, and 5 in the third 12. I like this Dragon's Breath. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. I mean, yes, I guess we could have some bad. Oh, that's a winner. All right. All right, so that's a winner. So, and it's 14, so we're going to go to 5 units on the first column and 5 units on the third column. All right, this is I mean, we're gaining some money here. All right, what do we have? Ooh, almost a greenie. All right, 27, red 27. I think that is not a winner. Oh, it is a winner. Oh, and it's our first win of the sequence. Okay, so 27 is in the third dozen, so we're going to put 5 on the first dozen and 5 in the second dozen, and we have a red 9, which is a winner. Oh man, okay, so now we're rolling. All right, so that means we have to go to the columns again, and since it was a red 9, we're going to be playing the first and second column, 5 units each. Right? Yep. All right. This is the first time we've covered up that center column, I believe, and we have a black 29, which I think is a winner because it's in the middle column. It is. All right, so we're going to clear that, and we're going to play 5 on the first dozen and 5 in the second dozen. Pretty interesting. Man, this thing's rolling. Oh, man, we're so close to that. And it's red 27. Okay, so that is a loss. So we're going to up bet to 15 and 15. Man, here we go. I'm not sure why. Oh, and that's a win. Why we are up betting 5, 15, 50, and 160. Have to look at that a little further. I mean, we might be able to get a few more rolls out of there, I think. Okay, so now we're at 5 first column and 5 on the third column. But so far so good, Dragon's Breath. And what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? And we have a red 3, which is a win. Oh, okay. All right. And since that was in the first column, the first dozen, so we're going to put 5 in the middle and 5 in the third dozen. Woo, whippy. All right, what do we got? What do we got? And we have a red 9, which is a loser. Oh, okay. So now we got to up bet. Here we go. 15 and 15. And we have that's a winner. A red 23 in the middle column. All right, that's up 15 units there. Not too bad, not too shabby. All right, so there you have it. We is 23, and so that's the middle column. So we're playing 5 on the first column and 5 on the third column. And we have a red 21, which is, that's a winner. Okay. Man, okay, let's keep it up. All right, so we're going to clear that, and since it fell in the center, first 5 in the first column, dozen, and 5 in the third dozen. Dang, getting tongue twisted here, and we're rolling. What do we have? We have a black 8, which is a winner. Man, I like those. Oh man, and I think that puts us at, dang, I think that's $100, isn't it? Already? We just started playing. All right, so we're going to put 5 on the first column and 5 in the third column. And here we go. We're rolling, and we're rolling. And we have a black 13, which I believe is a winner. Yes, it is. All right, up 5 units. Wow. Yep, pretty interesting. All right, so if the 13 is the middle, so we're going to throw 5 on the first dozen and 5 on the third dozen. Here we go. Now we got it. And we're going, and we're going. And and that's a winner. All right, up 5 units. Man, this is pretty nifty. I kind of like this system. Kind of bouncing around, and we're avoiding the last dozen or column that we just won in, and I think that is kind of fantastic. Wow, if you like this system, let me know in the comments section. If you want me to make a video of your system, let me know in the comments section, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you next time. See ya.